In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty the recycle bin on OneDrive. This is a simple and straightforward process, but knowing the right steps is crucial to manage your storage space efficiently and keep your OneDrive organized. OneDrive is an excellent tool for storing your files, sharing documents, and collaborating with others, but sometimes you might find that your storage is filling up. That's where clearing out the recycle bin can come in handy. First things first, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. This is the account you use to access your OneDrive and other Microsoft services, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you should find yourself on the main Microsoft account page. Next, look for the Apps launcher. This is typically a small grid icon, often located in the upper left corner of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a list of Microsoft services and apps connected to your account. Look for OneDrive in this list and click on it. Now that you're in OneDrive, take a moment to glance at the interface. You have different options on the sidebar, and for our task today, you'll want to navigate to the section labelled Recycle Bin. This is where all of your deleted files go when you remove them from OneDrive, acting as a temporary holding area before they are permanently deleted. Once you're in the recycle bin, you'll see a list of files you've previously deleted. This is your opportunity to review them and make sure you're ready to remove them permanently. If there are any files you want to keep, you can select those to restore separately, but if you're sure you want everything gone, simply continue on. To permanently delete these files, start by selecting the files you want to clear out. You can either select them individually or opt to empty the entire recycle bin if you're confident everything in there can go. Selecting them will highlight those files, indicating they're ready to be deleted. Now, look for the option that says Empty Recycle Bin. This is usually a button located at the top of the recycle bin interface. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure about deleting these files for good. Finally, you'll need to confirm your decision by clicking on Yes. This final step will clear the selected files out of your recycle bin, freeing up storage space on your OneDrive. It's a simple operation, but it's important to remember that once you delete these files, they're gone for good. By following these steps, you can ensure that your OneDrive stays clutter-free and operates smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you manage your OneDrive space more effectively.